In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete download history on Google Chrome. If you've ever downloaded a lot of files and want to tidy up the list that Chrome keeps, this walkthrough is for you. Deleting your download history clears the record of what you've downloaded in Chrome, but it does not remove the actual files from your computer. Your documents, images, and installers will stay right where you saved them. Only the list inside Chrome gets cleared. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the very top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that to open Chrome's main menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. In the menu, move your mouse over the History option, then click History again when it appears. That takes you to Chrome's History page, which includes tools to manage what Chrome remembers about your activity. On the left side of this page, click Delete Browsing Data. This opens a separate window dedicated to clearing saved data. You'll notice there are two tabs at the top, Basic and Advanced. Select the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab gives you more control over exactly what you're removing, so you can be precise and avoid clearing anything you want to keep. In the list of data types, uncheck everything except Download History. Take a second to make sure only Download History is selected. Leaving other boxes unchecked ensures you won't remove your browsing history, cookies, cached images, saved passwords, or other site data. This way, you're only clearing the list of downloaded items that appears in Chrome's Download section. You'll also see a time range menu in this window. This controls how far back Chrome will delete the selected data type. If you're cleaning everything, choose the widest range. If you only need to clear recent entries, choose a shorter range. Pick what best matches your goal while keeping in mind that your files themselves won't be affected. Once you've confirmed that only download history is checked and your time range looks right, click Delete Data. Chrome will process your request, which might take a moment if you've downloaded a lot over time. When it's finished, the list of downloaded items stored by Chrome will be cleared. That's all there is to it. You've removed your download history for this Chrome profile on this device, keeping your actual files intact. If you use multiple profiles or devices, you'll want to repeat these steps wherever you want the list cleared. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you clean things up, feel free to replay any part to follow along at your own pace.